Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. Australia is facing another wave of the extreme weather as authorities issue a cyclone watch for the North Queensland with the damaging winds, torrential rain and flash flooding expected in the coming days. Meteorologists say the tropical low system over the Coral Sea is moving towards the coast and still have a potential to develop into the cyclone. However, even if it does not intensify into a full cyclone, experts warn the system could still bring dangerous weather conditions. Australia's Bureau of Meteorology has issued a cyclone watch for the Cooktown and Palm Island along the North Queensland coast. Weather experts say the system is likely to move closer to the coast over the next 24 to 48 hours, bringing strong to damaging winds, heavy rainfall, high risk of flash flooding. Wind speeds in the affected areas could reach 80 to 100 kilometers per hour, while some locations may receive hundreds of the millimeters of the rain. And in total, 4 tropical low systems are currently active near Australia's northern coastline. Meteorologists say the Coral Sea system remains the primary concern, while the systems near the Western Australia are expected to stay offshore and are unlikely to affect the coastal communities. And this latest weather threat comes after the 10 days of intense rainfall across the Australia. Between February 22 and March 3, many regions across the country recorded 100 to 300 millimeters of the rain. Emergency services are advising residents across the northern Australia to stay alert, monitor weather updates and prepare for the potential flooding and strong winds. More updates are expected as meteorologists continue to track the developing tropical system. And that's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.